Washing bedding for our dogs and cats has always been a nightmare. Despite all the annoying or even torturous techniques, you know they'll never be that clean again. Time to say goodbye to germs, odor, and mold. Thanks to the advanced and eco-friendly TPU coating technology, you can directly soak and rinse the memory foam insert. It dries instantly with a wipe. The hair-resistant cover is also machine washable and dryable. Extremely easy to clean and extremely comfortable. The gentle Lemur pet bed is orthopedically engineered for our furry friends. Years of observation and countless tests bring forth the precise curve and the exact formula, producing the ultimate bed for dogs and cats. The ultra-dense memory foam and 3D nest-like structure are optimized for dogs and cats' sleeping positions and natural behaviors. It takes special care of their joints and tail. The cover is made of ultra-elastic microfiber. It feels like a hammock, perfectly supports the whole body. Gentle Lemur ensures premium quality. The ultra-tough microfiber survives every scratch. It has a non-slip bottom as well. You can easily take it everywhere by simply letting out the air, and it will automatically fill up again with the air hole open. Gentle Lemur was granted more than 20 patents globally for both the scientific design and the TPU coating technology. Don't keep your furry friends waiting. Buy now. No more discomfort for them. No more messes for you.